What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I want to hop on camera to give you a review of Traffic Ad Bar, and I also want to give you a proof of result that this system does work. Traffic Ad Bar is a traffic exchange where you can look at other people's opportunities in exchange for them to look at yours by earning credits. And one thing that I love about Traffic Ad Bar is that it's free to start. It's free to start. You don't have to pay anything to get inside this program. You can start earning leads today, and you can get people to be able to view your websites, okay? But if you want to, you can also choose to upgrade, but that's just your choice. It's not mandatory, but it just depends on your level of traffic and how much traffic that you want to get, all right? Now, since I've been using this, as you can see here in my back office, which I'm gonna show you, and you can see that this is how much traffic that I've been getting this month right here. And you can see, all over, points pretty much, for the remainder of the month that I've been getting, if you add it all up. Now, these are points. And points is basically to help you move up the ladder. Now, one thing that Traffic Ad Bar does have has a ladder. And the ladder goes up 17 levels. And how you can rank depending on how many points you get, that's how much ranks, that pushes you up the rank. And I guess like every so many days, I believe every 3 days, they move up the ladder. So if you have a certain amount of points between that time period of those 3 days, that's when you can be, you can have the ability to move up in the ladder. So that's very, very powerful just by knowing that. And as you can see, I got 7 referrals ever since I've been, on this platform, and I'm at, level 9. And, this is how you can check, for your levels. Once you click on more info, and you have a number of sites that you saved in the back office. And these are my websites that I'm promoting. And this shows the current points that I have for that. And you get these points by surfing. You keep on surfing, every day, and you can add up those points to push you up the ladder. And then the more points you get, the more hits that you get to your websites too. So these are all the levels. Each of these programs have, you see the program that you have right on the left hand side, right next to it is the level ladder. So you can see like what level you in, and if you was to click, you can see my picture right here. And it shows me what place I am and how much that I need to go in order to pass up to get to the next level. So, you can always rotate any of your links to be able to get exposure to those opportunities so you can be able to move up the ladder. And I've been doing that for quite some time. I've been, pushing it. And, sometimes, it may be throughout the day. Maybe after I get done with work, I may come back at night and, do some more just to keep my, my level apart, so I can be able to move up. And, as the higher your level with your membership level, the more quicker that you can move up. Also, you could check out, these Traffic Ad Bar emails. This helps you get points as well. This helps you get a dozen amount of points just by viewing these links. And it's going to be in a sequence to help you to boost up your point value so you can in turns be placed in these rotators of your hits. And so when you get so many amount of points, they're going to start, Traffic Ad Bar is going to embed your links in different emails. So you never know, your email might be in one of these links, but it goes by promoting and pushing up your point value to get more and more, points. So that's definitely what you would like to do, okay? This right here is the stats, the statistics that shows you how many hits per day, how many websites that you viewed. This is how many points total that you have this month once again. this shows you the time setting right here of how long you got before the next ladder push is sent. So you want to make sure you check that out. This shows you your earnings with this money. And I haven't earned anything yet, but I've been getting lots and lots of leads and signups, with this program. This is very helpful. So what you want to do is you're going to click right here when you want to start surfing. And, you're going to give it an amount of time to load. And as you can see right here, this is the countdown timer. When this time goes down, it's going to show how many websites that you viewed. And once that timer go down, you're going to receive a certain amount of points. And you could click on whatever site. These are other people's sites, by the way. Whatever that catch your eye, you're going to click on it. This is your point value right here. These are the websites that you've seen, and this is how many hits that you get into your websites, okay? So, these are hits. These are showing the time that you get those hits. Also, these the links. Once again, that shows you your level ladder and also how many people you're referring. All right. So once again, watch the timer, it goes by. And you want to keep doing this throughout the day, because this is going to make the difference of you getting to the top of the ladder. So you want to do this daily, okay? Now, there's also another way you could get leads and signups to, your business. And this is by, I'm going to show you right in the back office. Wait a minute. I'm going to click on websites. You're going to see the websites I promote. Okay. So these are the websites that you could promote. You put your link in, you're going to add a description for that particular opportunity. And you're going to see all your opportunities listed right here. Okay. The one that's in yellow, this is your primary URL. This is the one that you're promoting, that you got in the rotator. This area right here is where you get points. Each of these websites collect a certain amount of points when you go through the surfing page. So you can also transfer one set of points to another opportunity if you choose to, but that's by choice. Okay. Right here is this link right here. Each of your opportunities gonna have a link when you click on it. This particular link is used to put these in other traffic exchanges. So once people see that, they'll see a timer at the bottom of traffic ad bar on whatever website that's posted, and you could get points just by people looking at those. So let's say if I was going to a site like 𝗖cielich_für_you or something like that, they will see my traffic ad bar, and they got a choice to click on it, and they can look at, it'll much give me points from traffic ad bar just by other sites. So just think about that going on autopilot. All right. So, like I said, if you want to upgrade, there's 3 different product levels to upgrade. And I'm going to show you right here. And each of them you can earn a certain amount of commissions as well once you get other people to sign up on you with those different profiles. As you can see right here, for a free member, you get up to 100 daily email links. You can see right here 100 URLs. For a Pro Lite, you get 1,000, which at $9.99 per month. At the Pro level, you get 2,000. And this is guaranteed leads per month. And then this is the highest level, $39.99. You get 4,000. So, whatever you can get in, but I do highly recommend that you get in with the platinum level. That way you could be able to get more for your buck. All right. So that's what I wanted to show you, just a quick tutorial. And also I wanted to show you proof of results that this program is working. And if you are a new marketer that's just now getting on the platform and you need leads to your business, Traffic Ad Bar is a free traffic exchange where you can be a part of. you can get into this program so you can be able to generate leads, because that is the most struggling part of marketing. Is more people don't know how to get traffic to their business, and that's the main thing in order for you to get signups and sales. All right, and I just wanted to show you a brief tutorial. If this video done some good to you, make sure you hit a like for it. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel for more tips, tricks, and strategies that I use to market on my daily operations. Also, make sure that you contact me on social media. All of that will be in the description below, so you can check me out. I do basically get back in touch with anyone who's, likes to get in contact with me, because I like to deliver the favor. I like to help the next person, because we all in this business, we all need the help. We all need the guidance, so we all can rise together. So that's the main objective. That's what we do here on Double Up with Astro, with me, which is Astro is my name. And if you want to get in contact with me, just say, hey Astro, what's up? You see me on YouTube or whatever video that I posted, and just let me know where you came from, and we can definitely wrap it up and help you out, whatever questions you need to be answered. All right, so that's all I want to show for you guys. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys on the other side.